Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about how to do everyday makeup look, and it will be super easy and super basic for everyone out there, and it will take hardly 5 to 7 minutes, and it will be super quick and super easy for you guys. So let's begin.
I can take you anywhere, I could take you home. I just wanna be there so you never feel alone. I know how it feels to be lost inside this world. Don't give up, no.
So let's start with my everyday skincare routine. Now I'm taking toner, which is from Minimalist. I love products from Minimalist. You just have to pour it and dab it like this. You can also use rollers so it can easily penetrate into your skin. Under your eyes, this is very important. Do roll over under your eyes. It's done. So my next step is vitamin C serum. I use it every day. It helps to reduce dark spots and brighten your skin. So evenly spread it out. So my next step is moisturizer, which is also from Minimalist, and it's so thin. Spread it. As you can see, guys, it really penetrates within a second. It's so thin. And you guys need more layers of moisturizer. You can use Cetaphil. So next I'm using SPF, which is from Minimalist again. And so guys, always use SPF before going out or doing something. It really protects your skin from UV rays. So guys, I'm a little distracted right now because the view in front of me is so amazing. Let me show you guys. Now I'm going to begin with this serum from Forever 52. And let's spread it out from on all over face. So my next step is concealer from Forever 52 again. I will conceal my dark circles and some dark spots on my face. So guys, we will keep it a little bit minimal because we will not be doing heavy makeup, because it's for everyday look and it has to be very quick and dewy and a very thin layer of makeup on my face. So we will spread it out evenly. You guys can clearly see it blurs off some spots easily. You can use it every day while going to whatever, your office, your school or your college. And trust me, you don't need foundation every day. Don't use foundation every day. It can harm your skin and gives you whiteheads, blackheads, some bumps. So concealer is fine, trust me. We have to set concealer because it can create crease line under your eyes, around nose. So now I will be applying lip balm. Always use lip balm before applying lipstick to your makeup. Won't dry out your lips and it won't give cracks. Next I'm using my eyeshadow palette from Revlon for my eyebrows. You have to just fill the gaps. You don't have to make it thick or give a perfect shape on everyday look. You just have to fill gaps and look decent. And next I'll be using this light brown shade over my lids. So it's almost done. So next part is mascara, which is from Huda Beauty. So there's a hack for long lashes. Stretch your eyelid, brush your eyelashes from left to right. So brush it off the extra one, and in last do it with the tip. Then to the right eye, brush it off. And with the tip. I'll show you how it. And next I will be using lipstick from Too Faced. And you can also use it like a blusher. So in last I'm using setting spray from Glow Recipe, and it's done. And then you can dab it. Guys, it's almost done. Now I'll be doing blow dryer to give touch-ups and refresh this look. I'm using heat protector from Vella and spread it with your hands all over your hair. And now I'm using blow dryer of Ellen Truman, which I got from Nika. And let's start. So guys, you can see it's beautifully done. Now I'm finishing it with serum from Matrix. And yeah, it's done. So guys, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for next videos.